Hi guys, Lulu from Boho Locs here with the lovely Trina, and I'm going to be doing an install on her of our beautiful Bourbon Boho Goddess locks. A style Trina's not worn before. What was the colour you had last time?
Bay blonde.
Bay blonde, okay, yes. Cool. So this is a different blend. We love our blends, you know that. So this is a blend between our auburn colour, which is also called brown sugar, combined with our blonde, which is our #1 best-selling colour. We like to call it blonde, but for us. Okay, so with the lovely Trina, we're going to be doing a different base pattern for you today, inspired by our lovely Boho Locs community. We were sent a video recently of a really cool braid pattern, so we're going to give it a go. Trina is the guinea pig in this situation because I've never done this before, but God is good, it's going to come out just fine. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is just separate where you're going to have your individuals in the front hairline, and we're going to start with the cane rows. So the difference is, with this method, we're not going to plait our cane rows all the way to the back. We're going to try and aim more towards the center back of the head, and we're going to kind of bring them all together, and we're going to do some joining, and so we're not going to have like lines going straight back down the head. It's going to be slightly different, but you'll see. Let's do it. Okay, so I've done the base, and what I've essentially done is I've plaited her hair like I'm literally gonna put it into a bun, I plaited her hair literally like I'm gonna put it into a high ponytail. But what I have done is I've left a section in the middle of her natural hair, so it's not all joined up. There's about a 2 inch side circle in the middle. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to do 3 cane rows essentially. I'm going to cane row these top cane rows together. I'm going to do one through the middle, and then I'm going to cane row the bottom ones, and I'm going to stitch it all down so that it's flat. So once you've cane rowed along the top section, what we're going to do now is we're going to go back across the opposite direction. What I've done in the section where you've left 2 inches roughly of hair, I'm going to split that in half. So this is going to become one cane row going this way, we're going to join up, and this is going to become the last one. So I finished the cane rows. It kind of looks a bit like a snake. And the idea is that when I do crochet, it's totally cool for her to wear up. It's just totally cool. What I'm going to do with this, her natural hair, is I'm going to stitch it in. So I'm just going to find a space for it, stitch it in, and we're going to crochet over the whole lot. She done her thing. She's done her thing. So here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I'm going to turn to the front. And we're going to do individuals in the front as normal, 10 to 12, evenly distributed off the middle part here. So I'm going to use a boho layer kit on the lovely Trina. So that means I'm going to use a pack which is 14 inches to frame the face, and we're going to go in with the long everywhere else. I really like the layered look. I'm wearing Siren Silk at the moment, and this also has a layered look. I'm obsessed with it, and it works really well with the locks too. So the individuals are now done, so I'm just going to go in and crochet Boho Locs into her beautiful, beautiful head. Cool L, that is the last look. Oh, check you out, check you out. So here are the results, guys. Trina is now wearing our Boho Goddess locks, and I didn't even use a full pack. In fact, this is what we've got left. So we've got enough to go fuller if you should want. We've got enough to touch up the front if you should want. But Trina is slaying, looking good, looking good, and this is the result.